Pursuing excellence, winning respect. Quality is our life and pride. The history. 20 years of professional excellence. The Winner Group founded its first company, Huiyin Machinery Company Limited, a CNC processing plant, in 1994. Several professional machining center manufacturing plants were successively founded in Taiwan and China, including Nanjing Winner Technologies Company Limited, Nanjing Bintech Technologies Company Limited, and Winner Machining Center Company Limited, Taiwan. The Winner Group has been an active member of the machinery manufacture industry with over 30 years of expertise and experience. A joyful harvest comes from the sweat and tears of hard work. Winner's rock-solid quality is an achievement of the dedication and passion of everyone in the company. The products. The Winner Group offers a series of high-performance vertical machining centers designed through professional R&D, manufactured by specialist technology, and serviced by a professional team. The main products include high-speed tapping drilling machines, models AP500, TAP510, U-Series, models AU650, AU850, EU1000, EU1401, P-Series, AP650, AP850, AP1000. Over 50 models in high-performance designs. Professional vertical processing center manufacture was unsurpassed. The company. Design and R&D. Technology is the foundation of product design. Winner's products gain wide recognition from our customers because we have an R&D team that develops innovative products to meet market needs. We have professional know-how and make continuous attempts to explore innovative applications. We become the leader in the market for our customization capability, efficiency, and innovativeness through implementing the concept of machinery electrical integration, stringent scientific analysis, and perfect balance of speed, precision, and power. This is why we have the technology and capability to offer different customers instant help and consultation. And Winner's VMCs become the best tools for our customers' success. Processing systems. Winner's VMCs are stable and reliable because we have an efficient processing systems and capabilities widely recognized in the industry. We have the know-how to manufacture the frameworks for all large VMCs and use high-standard machines imported from Japan to process the components that require high precision. We strive for high efficiency and a high QC rate for our products. Main axial case. Toyota FH800 8 horizontal machining center. Pallet change with 120 tool spindle cartridge. Okuma 600H 6 horizontal machining center. Pallet change with 60 tools cartridge for high precision processing and reliable quality. This model is manufactured through automated continuous process, featuring automated testing and compatibility with a wide range of components. Transmission and components. Nagata H500 10 horizontal machining center. Pallet change system completed by 240 auto tool change system. Misui HS5A 6 horizontal machining center. 120 ATC system. Both are designed for continuous processing with errors controlled within 5 microns. The transmission is reliable and durable. For ATC components and accessories, Misui HS3A horizontal machining center, twin table equipped with 60 tooling system. Toyota FH50 horizontal machining center, twin table machine model with 120 tool changing system. Automated module production. Components are 100% tested through the 3D system. continuous one-time assembly achieves JIS standard of precision. Furthermore, we are fully aware of the powerful manufacturing technology and know-how within the clustered industries of Taiwan. Therefore, we make continuous efforts to exchange information on manufacture processes with the members in the industry. We strive for continuous advancement and pursue excellence in product performance. We have excellent manufacturing capabilities with a high degree of autonomy. This is the keystone to Winner's success and pride of excellence. Manufacturing systems. The Winner Group implemented the newest 6S management model with focus on optimizing products and services. From hand scraping, linear guideways calibration, ball screw calibration, electrical and wiring test, spindle vibration test, ATC tool calibration testing, machine test run, laser ball bar test, machining test, packaging for shipment to after-sale service. Winner gets down to the last details of the machines. We call ourselves professional because we are serious about our work. Winner choose only the best quality products made in Taiwan, Japan, and Germany for the main accessories of Winner's VMCs, including spindle, tool changer, linear ways and ball screws, and fourth axis rotary table. High-quality accessories ensure optimum performance of the machines. Winner's VMCs are certified by ISO 9001 and CE safety standards. Quality is our life and integrity. We offer our customers only the most reliable products. This is the founding stone of Winner. Marketing network. Winner's products are chosen by companies in Taiwan, China, Japan, Korea, Australia, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, Turkey, and Poland. Our products are widely used in the electronic, automotive, aerospace, telecommunication, and medical equipment industries. As a professional machinery manufacturer, Winner surveys the needs of every customer, so we can provide the best solutions and products. With every product, we provide integrated services, including instructions, simple maintenance and service, and processing technology information. We offer our customers partnership, not just a simple product trade. Up to date, 7,000 products have been manufactured under the brand name of Winner, and our customers have given us positive feedback. Our business has been growing, thanks to our long-term partners and new customers. Winner Machinery Company Limited will continue to advance in technology and product development. We strive to bring our customers the best product experiences and lead the machinery industry in Taiwan into a new era through innovation. Winners choose Winner.